Have you ever pondered how your food choices could be the most powerful tool in preventing diseases? This question is at the heart of the book, How Not to Die, penned by Dr. Michael Greger. In this enlightening read, Dr. Greger delves into the potent influence of nutrition on our health. The book, brimming with compelling insights, underscores the power of whole plant foods in warding off and even reversing chronic diseases. It's not just an opinion, it's backed by extensive scientific research and studies. Imagine a world where fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains are not merely side dishes, but the main event. Where evidence-based nutrition guides our choices, steering us towards a healthier, more vibrant life. How Not to Die takes us on this journey, shedding light on how specific foods impact particular diseases and introducing the concept of the daily dozen, a checklist of foods to incorporate into our daily meals. Journey with us to discover how nutrition could be your health's best ally. Scene script: imagine a diet that can prevent and even reverse chronic diseases. That's the power of whole plant foods. Whole plant foods, as the name suggests, are foods that are consumed in their whole, unprocessed form. We're talking about fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that our bodies need to thrive, but their benefits go beyond just providing nourishment. A diet rich in whole plant foods has the potential to ward off chronic diseases, some of which are leading causes of death worldwide. Heart disease, diabetes, even certain types of cancer can be kept at bay with the power of plants. Why is this so? Well, whole plant foods are naturally low in saturated fats, which are known culprits in heart disease. They also have a low glycemic index, which means they help maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes. As for cancer, the antioxidants in plant foods fight off damaging free radicals that can lead to cell mutation. But it's not just about disease prevention. Whole plant foods can also play a significant role in reversing existing health conditions. For instance, a plant-based diet has been shown to reduce the number of medications needed by individuals with type 2 diabetes. In some cases, patients were able to come off their medications entirely, effectively reversing their condition. Now, when we say a plant-based diet, we don't necessarily mean a diet devoid of all animal products. While some people do choose to follow a fully vegan diet, it's not a requirement to reap the benefits of whole plant foods. The key is to make these nutrient-dense foods the star of your plate, with animal products, if included, in a supporting role. And it's not just about what you're adding to your diet, but also what you're reducing. A focus on whole plant foods naturally displaces processed foods, which are often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium. So consider this: a diet that's rich in colorful fruits and vegetables, hearty whole grains, protein-packed legumes, and nutrient-dense nuts and seeds. A diet that's not just about restriction, but about abundance, variety, and nourishment. Feeding your body with whole plant foods could be your ticket to a healthier, longer life. Scene script: science doesn't lie. Let's delve into the research behind these nutrition recommendations. The underlying principle of the book, How Not to Die, is that whole plant foods can prevent and even reverse chronic diseases. But how does this work? The answer lies in the wealth of scientific research that supports plant-based diets. Let's take a look at some of the key findings. In a landmark study, it was found that a diet high in fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains significantly reduces the risk of heart disease. This is because these foods are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which work together to lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and protect the heart. But it's not just heart disease. Other research has shown that a plant-based diet can help prevent and manage type 2 diabetes. This is due to the low glycemic index of these foods, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. When it comes to cancer, numerous studies have shed light on the protective effects of plant foods. For instance, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale are packed with compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. In fact, the evidence is so compelling that the World Health Organization now recommends a diet rich in plant foods for the prevention of chronic diseases. But what about the role of supplements? While the book emphasizes the importance of obtaining nutrients from whole foods, It also acknowledges that supplements can play a beneficial role. For instance, vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells, may be lacking in a plant-based diet. Therefore, a B12 supplement is recommended. Finally, let's talk about sugar and processed foods. Studies confirm that these can promote inflammation and contribute to chronic diseases, underlining the importance of focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. So, the science is clear. A diet rich in plant foods, supplemented with vitamin B12 and low in sugar and processed foods, can significantly impact our health and longevity. Armed with knowledge, you can make informed decisions about your health. What if you had a daily checklist for optimum health? Meet the Daily Dozen. Imagine having a handy guide, a roadmap to health, if you will, that you can follow each day. That's the concept behind the Daily Dozen, an idea introduced by Dr. Michael Greger in his book, How Not to Die. This checklist comprises 12 food groups that you should aim to incorporate into your daily diet. Let's dive right in. First on the list are berries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Next, we have other fruits. Whether it's a crunchy apple, a sweet banana, or a juicy orange, fruits are a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while loading up on essential nutrients. Then we have beans, including lentils and chickpeas. They're a fantastic source of protein and fiber, helping to keep you full and your digestive system running smoothly. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage come next. They're packed with nutrients and have been linked to a lower risk of cancer. Whole grains are another must-have. Think brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread. They're loaded with fiber and can help control blood sugar levels. Then we have flax seeds, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids and beneficial for heart health. Leafy greens, such as spinach and collards, are rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. They're a nutrient-dense addition to any meal. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're perfect for a quick snack or adding some crunch to your salads. Spices, particularly turmeric, are known to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. They're a simple way to add flavor and health benefits to your meals. The list also includes whole plant foods like potatoes and squash that are rich in fiber and essential vitamins. And of course, the Daily Dozen wouldn't be complete without water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and helps your body function at its best. Incorporating the Daily Dozen into your daily diet could be your first step towards disease prevention, so why not give it a go? Your body will surely thank you. Scene script, nutrition is key, but what about other lifestyle factors? Let's explore. A robust diet filled with whole plant foods is an essential part of maintaining good health, but it's not the entire story. According to Dr. Greger in his book, How Not to Die, we also need to consider other lifestyle factors. These include exercise, sleep, and stress management, all of which play pivotal roles in our overall well-being. Let's start with exercise. Regular physical activity has been shown to reduce the risk of several chronic diseases, from heart disease to certain types of cancers. It's not just about hitting the gym, though. Any form of movement, whether it's walking, dancing, or cycling, can have significant health benefits. So, lace up those sneakers, hit the pavement, or find a fun activity that gets your heart pumping. Now let's talk about sleep. It's not just about feeling rested. Adequate sleep is vital for our bodies to function correctly. It's during this time that our bodies repair cells, clear toxins, and consolidate memories. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to a host of health problems, including obesity, heart disease, and even depression. So make sure to prioritize those 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Finally, we can't forget about stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies, leading to inflammation, weakened immune systems, and increased risk of heart disease and other illnesses. The good news is there are many ways to manage stress, from mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga, to simply taking time to unwind and do something you love. Finding your personal stress release can make a world of difference in your overall health. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you live. These lifestyle factors, along with a healthy diet, work synergistically, each one boosting the other's effects. It's this holistic approach to health that Dr. Greger advocates in his book. A healthy life is more than just what you eat, it's a lifestyle. You have the power to influence your health, Will you take the reins? It's time to unlock the potential within your meals to let your food be your medicine. The Daily Dozen is not just a list, it's a lifestyle. It's an invitation to infuse your diet with whole plant foods, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Imagine the surge of vitality as your body revels in the goodness of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. Each morsel is a step towards disease prevention, a stride towards longevity. And the cherry on top? It's all backed by rigorous scientific research. So take a leap of faith in the power of nutrition. Invite the Daily Dozen into your life. Let berries become your sweet treats, beans your hearty companions, cruciferous vegetables your robust allies, and whole grains your sustaining force. Start your journey towards health and longevity today. Embrace the Daily Dozen and witness the transformation.